Hello. Well, I'm doing a little video on defensive pistols today. This is a Glock Model 23. It's a mid-size 40 caliber. This gun's a Gen 4. It's box stock. There has been no internal or external modifications to it, including changing out the Glock sights, which most people do not like. I don't have a problem with it. I find that the front dot and the rear sight post allows me to focus on the front dot even clearer. So I haven't bothered to change them. I shoot the full-size gun in 40 caliber in competition, and I'm up in Georgia right now, so I do have the option to open carry if I wanted to. The attributes that we're looking on a defensive pistol. Number one, most important, before anything else, the gun has to be reliable. It has to go bang every time you pull the trigger. Well, there is one little modification on it. Squaring compasses on the back. That's the only thing. And that's simply having that put on a back plate. The gun must work every time. We can get into caliber debate, 9mm, 40, 45, 357 SIG, whatever combination you can dream up. And that's secondary. The gun has to work. Second thing that it has to have is good ammunition. These are 180 grain Golden Saber hollow points. They're made by Remington. This is what stays in most of my 40 caliber pistols. I have found the round over the last 20 years to be reliable in Glocks, the old Smith & Wessons, the new Smith & Wessons, Sig Sauer, anything I've put it in. It's a good starting place. That being said, burn a couple of boxes of it through your pistol. Make sure that gun is going to function with it. Make sure it's going to be reliable. You know, my standard for accuracy for a defensive pistol is it must hit within about 4 inches at 25 yards. This ammunition, if I do my part, is capable of well within that. This ammunition and gun will shoot within 1 inch at 25 yards if I do my point. The truth of the matter, people talk about combat accuracy and precision accuracy not being necessary in a defensive pistol. The truth of the matter is most of these will shoot better than you can. Combat accuracy, in my mind, is largely used as a detractor and to make excuses. Guys that train all the time under stress can typically shoot this combination very well with their defensive ammo and their pistol. Here's the difference. They train. They practice. They train some more. They practice some more. It's riding now in a little Gould & Gulrich Yaki holster. The holster's inconsequential at this point. The reason I like this holster is it's fairly trim and I can conceal it fairly easily. I chose this mid-size Glock to be kind of one of my all-around guns because it is easy to conceal. It's got the short grip. My full-size gun, the grip's a little longer, maybe another 3/4 of an inch, and it's just big enough where concealing it in the summertime is a pain in the butt. The 40 caliber pistol, I tend to favor 180 grain bullets because that's what the gun was designed around. But before caliber debate, before we say, oh, 9mm is better than 45 or 45 is better than 40 or 357 SIG or whatever, you need a reliable pistol. You need to practice with it. You need to train with it. You need to practice with it some more. Regardless of what combination of holster, gun, and pistol you use, train with it. Shoot it. Buy some cheap junk ammunition where it doesn't break the budget. Get out and shoot it. Run a couple of boxes of the good ammo through that you plan to keep in it. Get out and shoot it. You know, go to formal training classes. I offer them. Go to informal range sessions. That can be arranged. But the main thing is it must be absolutely reliable. The Glock's been around almost 30 years now. It's set reliability standards right out of the box. Another thing I like with the Glock is it's simple to operate. Pick it up, take it out of the holster, pull the trigger until the job's done. If need be, drop your empty mag, put another one in, rack the slide to reload the gun, and keep fighting. The simplicity of this design reminds me of the simplicity of a double-action revolver, which is my gold standard. I can solve the caliber debate in 3 numbers: 357 Magnum. The reason I'm carrying 40s is right now I'm traveling. I've got several pistols with me. I only have to keep track of 1 ammunition. You know, if I'm home, closer to my home territory, well, 40, 45, 9mm, 357 Magnum, 44 Special, or any cartridge would work. You know, for now, traveling, convenience, stick to 1. Simply because of logistics. If I need to go and get more ammo, I can run up the road to Walmart, get a couple more boxes. But the main thing with a defensive pistol, it has to be reliable. That means it goes bang every time.